Alrighty, what's going on, everyone? Woo! Nothing too crazy up above right now. Matter of fact, everything's still where I left it in the last video yesterday. All the action today happened underneath. So, I don't know if y'all could tell, but in the previous videos, there was a lot of clutter, dust, and whatnot underneath here. It still looks kind of grungy, but, what you see on the surface is actually stuck to it. I guess like over the years, glue and stuff like, from working on the layout, it like dripped onto the floor. But it's much better than what it was under here. Gonna put this cabinet right here back where it goes. And still gotta de-dust these two piles of trees right here. And this. And then I gotta use these, these doodads. Go along the rails. Because I'm sure they're dirty. Let's take a look. Nothing too crazy. But still, I want to be certain. Let's try over here. Yep, that's what I'm talking about, guys, right there. Gotta clean all those rails. She's dusty. I don't know why they didn't focus, but yeah. Need to clean them. Need to clean them. Yeah, there you go. Well, yeah. Yeah, making progress, guys. Woo! Making progress. Oh yeah, and then I also got everything, bunch of clutter all around here. I'll try to organize things and put them. There's a lot of space under the layout to put stuff too, so use that for storage like it's supposed to be under there. Yeah. Getting her done. Woo! All right, y'all stay tuned. Take care. Peace. Woo!